Well, there is another twist in the controversial Clearwater case involving shooter Michael Drejka. His defense team plans to call the top cop in Pinellas County in his upcoming murder trial as a witness to help their case. We're talking about Sheriff Bob Gualtieri. 8 on your side's Jamel and joins us live from Pinellas County now with details. Jamel?
Well, good afternoon. You know, Michael Drejka's attorney, they tell me that they believe that they feel the sheriff feels that maybe their client still never should have been arrested, and now they want Sheriff Gualtieri to explain his initial decision not to arrest Drejka to a jury. Now, John Trevina says they want the sheriff to be a fact witness as well as an expert for the defense. Trevina says Sheriff Gualtieri is the most prominent person to talk about this issue of self-defense. After the July shooting last year, Marquise McLaughlin outside the Clearwater convenience store, Sheriff Gualtieri said he would not arrest Michael Drejka because Drejka initially claimed he was standing his ground, and the law supported Drejka's claim because he was in fear for his life after being pushed to the ground. The case went to the state attorney's office, and ultimately charges were filed against Drejka.
I'm not so sure that he has changed his opinion. I think actually he still believes that it's inappropriate to prosecute Mr. Drejka.
Now, we did just receive this statement here from the sheriff's office, and I'll read it to you. It says, "My opinion doesn't matter. The only opinion that matters is what the jury says. Anybody can list anybody as a witness, and I'm confident that the process will take care of itself and proceed accordingly." Now, we let Trevina know about this statement, and his response to it, well, he basically says that the sheriff's testimony is relevant to be heard by a jury. In Pinellas County, Jamel and 8 on your side.